Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to register your incorporated trustees or NGO in the newly upgraded CAC registration portal. So in my previous video I got quite a number of persons asking me that they cannot see how to register an NGO or incorporated trustees in the new portal. So we have discovered how to do that. There was a little change, but believe me, it's for the best. So the first thing you want to do is to watch this very detailed video to the end in order for you to get the whole process. So here you want to sign up if you don't have an account with CAC. So you just click on the sign up here. Click on the sign up button and just follow the whole process. It's actually very easy. All you need to do is to input your active email address here. CAC is going to send you a confirmation link. You click on the confirmation link and then it's going to generate for you your own portal. So also remember that when you are opening a new account, it is only for your own registration that will be carried out on it. You cannot do a registration for another person on your own portal. That being said, for those of us that already have an account with CAC, you want to click on the login. When you click on the login, of course you come to this page here. You'll be asked to enter through your either with your username or your email, your phone number, or maybe if you're an accredited agent, you can just enter through your accredited number. So I'm just going to enter through my username, to enter my password. So I'll click on login. Your OTP will be sent to you. Make sure you email handy, so because just for 60 seconds before it expires. Click on the submit button. So here is my dashboard on the new portal. So now in this video we want to register an NGO or incorporated trustees, right? So you want to click on this name reservation. So when you come here, you come to business classification, click the drop down arrow. You can see we have business name, company, limited partnership, limited liability partnership. You can see we can't find our NGO here, our incorporated trustees, right? So you want to go back, you come to this name requiring consent. So I'll click on it now. You want to come to this apply for consent. This is where you apply for consent before you can carry out this whole registration. So I'll click on apply for consent. Now I'll click under the business classification. You can see, look at it here, incorporated trustees. I'll click on it. Now under the business type, you click on incorporated trustee as well. So they are asking us for the reason for this consent, the consent request. So we are here for new incorporation stroke registration. So when I'm done with all this, I want to click on apply for consent. So now they sent a confirm action. They said, do you want to start a new consent application for your incorporation? So the answer is either you want to do it, you say yes, start my application. If not, you can just click on cancel. So but for me, I'm going to say yes, start my application. So you wait for it. So now you can see this is the form you have to fill. We have about 5 to 6 that you're going to fill to make sure your NGO or your incorporated trustee is registered with the CAC. So number 1, you can see this is the incorporated trustee details, where you enter the proposed name. We are being given 3 options to enter the proposed names. So you enter the principal activity of the association, you enter the specific activity of the association, your email. Now this is where you describe your association activities, what will be carried out there, what you'll be offering your services will be offering the public. This is actually where you enter the registered office address, the state, local government, city, town. Now the postcode is actually optional. The house number as well, street, is actually the same thing as the previous one. So there is no cause for alarm. You just have to go with the process and make sure you're done with the whole of your registration here with the upload of the details. So number 2 is the constitution. Actually, number 3 also is the aims and objective. This is where you describe the aims and objective of your business. Now this is number 4. This is the trustees details as well. Now number 5, we have our document uploads. It's just the same thing, the way we upload all our documents to the CAC portal. Then we have the last stage, which is the preview stage, where you preview all you've done so far to make sure you're not going to make payments, and maybe you have errors still in there, so you want to check the correct names and everything. So when you are good to go, you just make payments, then so that they will now start the review process for you. So this is actually very easy. This is how to go about with the registering of your NGO or incorporated trustees in the newly upgraded portal. So of course, if you have been doing this before now, the processes are almost the same thing. And so make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so you get notified when I release my next video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video.